Hello and welcome back to Coder Key. In this video, we're going to solve the first problem on our bit manipulation topic in data structures and algorithm in Python, and that is whether the kth bit of a given integer is set or not. Okay, that we're going to check. So let us get into our problem. Yes. Now, in previous video, I have explained you which bit is said to be as set and which is not set. Okay. So before any further ado, let us explain me how do we are going to solve this problem. First of all, let me take a very simple example. Taking n as equals to 10 and k is equals to as 3. Okay. Let us suppose this as I have taken random values, and now what we're going to do is what here n k r is we are given in two integers n and k. N is the number of which we want to check whether the third bit is check or not, the kth bit is set or not. So first of all, we need to convert it to binary, right? So for that, 10 can be written as 0101. Okay, 1010 in binary, right? Now I have to check whether the third bit of this binary representation is set or not. So 1 to third, so it is not set. So output should be not set, right? Similarly, let us take an example of 27 and let us take 4. Okay, so 27 we write as 1, 2, sorry for this, 4, 8, and 16. Yes, this is how we write 27. Okay, so yes, this is how we write 27. Now I want to check whether the fourth bit is set or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth bit is set, so the output should be set. Now, how do we check it? So first of all, I will tell you that there are two methods for checking it. The first one is left shift method. Left shift method. Okay. So how do we check using left shift method is see. First of all, let us take 1 1 0 1 1. So this is the binary representation of 27, and we need to check whether fourth bit is set or not. So let us do one thing, that have 1 at the fourth bit, okay, and rest zeros, okay, and do an AND operator over here, okay. Now, if we get a non-zero, yes, non-zero number, then we say it is set. Okay, let us take one more example for 10. Let us do the same thing for 10. So we had 1 0 1 0 for 10 as binary representation, and we need to check for third bit. So this is a third bit, and else I'm writing 0, right? Now if I do AND operation, so I'm going to get everywhere 0. You can do this, try this for all the examples. You can do, try it for 5, try it for 5, and come back to me for checking whether first bit is you know set or not. Similarly, try it for n equals to 2 and k equals to 3. Okay, try these two examples. Do this what we have done and come back and show or tell, comment down the answer as 1 dot dash and 2 dot dash. Okay, so now this is not set. Okay, so what is a condition that put 0 on sorry, put 1 on the bit that we want to calculate, and then if it is non-zero, then it is set, but if it is 0, then it is not set. So now our task is, how do we exactly get 1 at the third bit or 1 at the kth bit, right? So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a temp variable in our program. And what that temp variable is going to do is we're going to left rotate or left shift the first, or left shift the one with, k minus, left shift 1 k minus 1 times. Okay. So what it is going to do is, let's take for 4. If k is equals to 4, then our temp variable is going to be 1 left shift 3, right? So in this case, what we have, 1 0 0 0 1 is 1. Now we're going to shift 3 times, 1 2 3. So 1 0 0 0. So our at kth position, that is fourth position, we get 1. Was that clear? So this is how we're going to achieve these things. So what exactly our logic is? What logic we have come up with is, like, first of all, what we're going to do is going to calculate the temp variable. So if the temp will be 1 left shift operator k minus 1. So first of all, we're going to calculate this. Now then we're going to do if. Now this if uh, n and temp is some, some value, okay, then it will be set. If it does not have any value, then you're going to print not set. Was that clear? So this is for left shift, and the same program I have written over here also. Okay, what we are doing is we are taking n and k as our input, and then I'm doing again the left shift operator for calculating the temp, and then using a condition. So if it is set and something like that. So now let us check for these two. Okay, for what? For 5 and 1. So now 5 and 1 is our MNK. So it is set. So answer is set. Verify your answers. Okay. Similarly, let us do for what? 2 and 3. Now it is not set. One thing you need to remember, or one thing you need to notice over here is we have two. Okay. In binary, how we're going to write two? We're just going to write something like 1 0, right? So this is the binary representation. We don't have the third bit over here. Okay. So all the bits which are beyond the most significant bit, that is MSB, are not set. We cannot, like have a special condition for this case, but it will be not set over here, as you can see our output. I hope you can see the program. So we have taken the input, we have had a condition, or used the left shift operator, and then we have you know used the condition. Now let us see the second approach, that is using right shift operator. Okay, right shift operator. Here we are again, we're going to do the same thing, but here we are going to have a temp variable, which is n right shifting k minus 1. So here we're going to shift not 1 but n. Okay, so what we're going to have is, so again the condition will be same, that if, let us directly move towards our program over here. So here our condition will be same, that if we're going to and temp and 1, if it has some value, then it's going to be set, and if it does not have any value, then it will be not set. Okay, we have taken an input n and k, and then we have applied a condition. So here we're not, see here in this example we were shifting 1, but here we're going to shift the integer. Right. So now let me run this also. Okay, so let us check for 27 only, and 4 bit is set or not. So it is set. Okay, using right shift operator also. Similarly, if I do for 2 and 3 again, it should be not set. Okay, so this was it for this video. This was very simple, I guess. Here we have just discussed whether the given uh, integer has kth bit set or not. Okay, so this was it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about counting the set bits in uh, of their integer. Okay, how many set bits are there in the binary representation of that number. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can comment out. I guess this problem is also there in lead code. Okay, you can solve that lead code problem now. I'll link the lead code if it is there. I'll link that lead code problem in the description. You can check that out. Okay, comment down if you have any doubt. So this is it for this video. Thank you.